In this video, I show you how to make $1.5 every 60 seconds by typing words, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. What to do? We'll find out soon. Here's how to get paid to type words online. If you learned something from this video, you might want to subscribe and turn on notifications. So when I find a new way to make money online, I'll let you know so you can be one of the first people to use it. You make the most money, of course. Start typing words while sipping your favorite coffee, and you could make up to $1.90 per hour. You just have to make sure you're doing it right. But if you don't want to type it, you can copy and paste it instead. Watch as I show you step by step how to do it. Also, signing up for this website is free. You don't have to pay anything ahead of time, and you don't need to have any writing experience. You can do this on your computer or phone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and it doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iOS device. Now, before I tell you how to do this, leave a comment below. Let us know where you are from, so I will know for sure where you are from. So from now on, I'll be able to make sure that every video I put out is for you. So write the name of your country in the comments below. Don't forget that I'll give you extra tips that will help you make double or even triple as much money as other people. So make sure to stay and watch until the end. Let's go back to watching the video. Step 1 is to go to typingtest.com, which is a very important site where you can take a 60-second typing test. When you get to this site, click on Typing Tests, and you'll be taken to this page where you can see Test Your Typing Skills in a Minute. Type away to join the more than 150 million people who have taken tests. So you can choose a 1 to 10 minute test, and then choose the most important sentences or words from the text. Please sign in and choose the 1-minute test and medium text. The best part is that you can easily do this on your phone. You can type by clicking on Start Test, as you can see. Then they'll have a 1-minute timer right here and see how fast you can type. So if I start typing certain words, for example, the timer will start and they will show me how fast I type. If you go back to the homepage and click on Typing Courses, you can get free lessons on how to type. This is because in this video, I'll show you a few sites where you can make money just by typing. And you make more money the faster you type. Now I'll show you those websites where you can make money. So this website will be the first one on our list. So $1.5 per minute, as you can see right here. Now let's use an online calculator to figure out the answer. So you can make $1.5 per minute or $1.90 if you type for 60 minutes or an hour. You can make $270 if you type for 3 hours. And if you type for 5 hours, you can make up to $450 just by typing. Because of this, this really is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. This website is very trustworthy, and more than 170,000 people from all over the world in many different fields have used it. So the name of this site is rev.com. I want you to go to their homepage right now. As you can see, transcription costs $1.5 per minute, captions cost the same, and foreign subtitles cost between $5 and $12 per minute. If you are from another country, this is actually an advantage. For example, if you are from the Philippines and there are no Filipino subtitles, you can help them translate the videos from English to Filipino or Filipino to English. There's a lot of money to be made here. So $5 to $12 per minute, as you can see here. Let's figure out how much money you can make. On average, you can make about $8 per minute translating videos to subtitles in other languages. This means you can make $480 per hour. If you're just starting out and don't speak a foreign language, I'd suggest starting with video transcription. I guess that $1.5 per minute is enough. So right now you can see freelancers if you scroll all the way to the bottom of this website. When you click it, you'll be brought to this page where you can look at Rev freelance jobs with very flexible hours. You can choose from hundreds of different jobs, and you'll always get paid every week. The best part is that you can depend on getting your money on time. But quickly, if you guys like this video, which I've put a lot of time and effort into, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and made sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. And if this video gets 2,000 likes, I'll make a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by doing simple things like this from home. Let's go back to watching the video. Transcribe.me.com is the second website on our list, and you can also join for free. If you go to their homepage, you'll see that they have a few job openings. You can type online and make money, for example, by transcribing or translating. I want you to concentrate on transcription because it pays the most. As you can see, they have the best rates in the industry, with earnings ranging from $15 to $22 per audio hour and a maximum of $2,200 per month. It's pretty cool, but Rev.com pays more than this one. So I think you should set aside some time and sign up for Rev.com because it's better. But if you want to make more money, you can sign up for both rev.com and transcribeme.com. Click on Get Started to join transcribeme.com. You'll be taken to a page where you can join. This website is great because you can use it on your phone or computer, and the hours and schedules are very flexible, so you can work at your own pace. The best part is that they only give you clips that are 2 to 4 minutes long, so it's not at all long. Just think, if you spend half an hour or even an hour transcribing, you'll also be making money. Then give them your PayPal account information so they can send you the money. Always take the time to check your email because they will sometimes send you verification information about your typing speed. TypingTest.com is helpful in this situation. You can take a typing test on this website to find out how fast you type in terms of words per minute. You'll see your score as soon as you finish the test. Now all you need to do is take a picture of the result and email it to them. So this is how fast you type, and if you take some typing courses on this website, you can improve it or even double it. By doing so, you'll have more job opportunities. If you want to make even more money, you need to watch this video right now. Which is one of the best ways to make money online.